Hello students, this video is in the sequence of the last video. We are going to discuss Dr. Heidegger's experiment story and its detail. In this video, the first point which we will discuss is the four social persons or the four friends of the doctor. There at the house of Dr. Heidegger, his old friends arrived to respond his invitation. Among them, the first is Mr. Medborn, the man at the very old age, with white beard. He represents the merchant class of the age. Today, he is at his old age because he has lost his all by a frantic speculation. He has wasted everything due to his habits of wasteful nature. The second is Colonel Killigrew, who has wasted his best years, the age in which he could do something great, he had wasted, and his health and substance in the pursuit of sinful pleasures like drinking, gambling, and so on. Instead of earning pleasures, he earned ailments to torment his soul and body. He represents how young people demolish their life. The third is Mr. Gascoigne, the ruined politician, a man of evil fame. He represents the political scenario of the age. The fourth and the last is Widow Wycherley, a fantastic beauty of her days. But today she is like a ruin of some grand place. Her life, particularly her young age, is full of scandalous stories. She remained a lady who was always engaged in some scandals. She had uncountable and numberless lovers. She had engaged in many love affairs with different persons. So she was dissociated. Today she has been living in deep seclusion. Nobody is around her. These four persons of the fiction are to remind us that we should make the best use of our allotted stage of life. The three of them, the men, were early lovers of the widow Wycherley. These all three men were the early lovers of the lady, widow Wycherley, and they were also rivals to each other, who wanted to get her love, who were ready to cut each other's throats for her sake. But today they are quiet and still. Today they are not quarreling for her due to their old age. The temperament of today also reminds us the aimless follies of young age. The next point we'll discuss is the doctor's speech. The doctor gave a speech. When they have sat with ease there in the room of the doctor, who begins to speak to them with honor and love. The introductory words of the doctor also reflect that love, humor, reputation, and behavior depend upon different circumstances. The old age requires reputation, while the young age does not care about imputation, but the earning of the young age becomes the earning of the old age in the society. Such kind of personalities related to the fiction can never earn honor in the old age in the society, but only in their circle of friends. So, the doctor tells them that they are there at his house for some certain experiment. The very experiment is about man's desire of getting young age again. Somehow he has gathered the water of youth from the fountain of youth. It was taken from a fountain that was a magical fountain of youth. The water is a miraculous remedy of the old age. It was a miraculous water. The doctor believes that by drinking it, all the old persons can acquire the mirth of the young age again. The study room of the doctor was also some kind of mysterious features. What are those? There in that doctor's house, there is a mysterious study room which reflects that Dr. Heidegger is a whimsical kind of scientist or a magician. It is a dim, old fashioned chamber where there are numberless cobwebs and layer of antique dust which has not been cleaned for a long time. Around the walls there are many bookcases full of different kind of books. Among them some of the books are related to black art of magic. He was a doctor as well as a magician. There was a magical mirror in that room. That mirror, it has been placed in the most hidden and dark corner of the room. There are many stories about this mirror. It is said that the spirits of many patients and doctors appear on the mirror whenever the doctor looks towards it. We will continue this video. This chapter will be continued in the next video. Thank you.